they are there, the other time they have forgot to teach mixed numbers to improper fractions. So here's a retake. Because this class is going to be a double whammy, and we're going to give it a ass whooping of the Nigerian Niger spirit today. Now look at it. What are we to do? First thing you need to do is draw this division line. Now write your number 3. Now write your number that is here, right here. 3 multiplied by 2. And your answer should be added to the numerator. See it again. Write your denominator, which is 3. Draw your line. Now the 3, which is the denominator, multiplied by the whole number. Then you add 1, which is the numerator to it. So 3 times 2 is what? Draw your division line still. 3 times, and write your number 3. 3 times 2 is what? 6. Plus 1, that is 7. So you have 7 over 3. Is that easy? Now what's the next thing to do again? Draw our division line. What's the number? What's the denominator? 5. Let's write it. What are we to do again? Still write this 5 up here on the division line, multiplied by what? The whole number, which is 4. Set them aside, plus your answer plus the numerator, which is 2. Now let's do it. Draw your line again, write your 5. Now 5 times 4 is what? 20. Plus 2 is 22. And that way, you give it a double whammy as whooping. Is that easy? On with the mixed numbers, changing from mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now we're dealing with additions and subtractions of fractions with the same denominators. Additions and subtractions of fractions with the same denominator. Look at this example. 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4. You don't need to count anything. You don't need to go any further. Just write, since it's the same common denominator, just write 4. Once up here, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And that's your answer. Now the same thing applies in this case. What I write under the dividing line, the division line, I write this 9. 1, 6 take away 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. And that's your answer. You've done fractions in the same denominator. Now look at this. We have different denominators. Here we need to find what we call the LCM, the number that will be this can divide. That is what is common to both sides. 2 can divide it and 8 can divide it. And there's a trick to it, which I will teach us. But for your class, we know where I have what we call the Disneyman's approach, which I don't want you to use. Now let's do this. The multiples of 8. You remember your multiplication table. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. Let's stop there. Now, 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. Okay, now let's just see what is common to Mr. 8 and Mr. 2. What is common to them? What can you find? Let's say family members. Is 2 a family member of any of this one up here? No. What about 4? We can find 4. We can find 4 here, but we can't find it here. What about 6? We can find 6 here, but not up here. Can we find 8? Yes, let's find this 8 very well, so that you will be able to recognize the members of the family. 8 is here. Wow. Is 8 up here too? Good. Any other number again? No. So let's write the number 8. That's what we call the least common multiple. Okay? Now look at this. Mr. 2 will need to divide this guy, 8. So now, how many times will Mr. 2 go in this 8? 2, you found in this 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you don't write your 4 straight, you take it on pairs to multiply what is up here. Okay? So 4 times 1 is what? 4. Plus, now, how many times can Mr. 8 be found here? How many times can it go itself? 8. How many times can it divide itself? Let's go to the multiplication table again. 1. So, do you write your answer immediately? No. Take it upstairs. 1. So 1 times 3 is what? 3. So now that we have this, we can now do the needful. 4 plus 3. Remember what is on there? The LCM is what? 8. 4 plus 3 will give us what? 49 plus 3. Okay? You say it's what? 7. So your answer is 7 over 8. You get that? You get that? Very good. I'm still going to use the same example to do what we call subtraction. Now, number 2 example. 1 over 2 take away 3 over 8. You'll be looking at that. Is it possible for this big denominator to be found in this small denominator? Remember, it's not what you look at and feel is the answer. You need to work it out, you need to test it out, okay? Now, the next thing is what? Your division line. Remember your multiplication table, 8 times table, once again, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 8 times 3 is what? 24, 8 times 4 is what? 32. Now, 2 times table, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is what? 10. Now, what is common to Mr. 2 and Mr. 8, or Mr. 8 and Mr. 2? You can find this down here, not like we find it there. 4 is down here, it's not up here. 6 is down here, it's not up here. 8 is down here, but it's up here too. So we circle it. Okay? Any other one that is common? No. So we have a denominator. Now once again, we say how many times can 2 be found in 8? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you write your answer immediately? No. Take it upstairs so that you can multiply the numerator. 4 times 1 is what? 4. Subtraction now. Now, how many times can this 8 be found in this 8? Let's go to our multiplication table to check. Because it's an inverse of division. 1. That's 1 time. So, do you write your answer immediately? No. Say 1 times 3. Take it upstairs. 3 times 1 or 1 times 3 is what? 3. So what's your final answer? Remember to write your 8 that is down here. You say 3 take away, say 4 take away 3. What do you get? 1. And that is your answer. So I'll see you in our next class on Wednesday. Stay safe, stay corona free, and have loads of fun.